Welcome back to the Wormy Garden. Today we're tackling 5 common garden planting mistakes and how to fix them for your best harvest ever. Let's talk timing. Planting too early? Your seeds might rot in cold soil. Too late? Your crops may not mature before frost. Check your local frost dates. These are your planting guideposts. For example, in Zone 7A our last frost is mid-April. First frost is late October, about 6 months to grow. Different plants have different needs. Tomatoes want warm soil, while spinach and kale can handle a chill. Always read your seed packets. They're packed with timing info for your region and plant type, and don't hesitate to ask your local nursery for advice. They're gardening pros. Remember, timing is everything. Get it right, and you're on your way to a bountiful harvest. Get it wrong, and you might be left with stunted plants and disappointment. So, plan ahead and plant at the right time for each crop. That's the first step to garden success. Starting seeds indoors? Timing matters here too. Start too early, and you'll have leggy, stressed seedlings. Check your seed packets for when to start, usually 6 to 8 weeks before your last frost for tomatoes, peppers, and eggplants. Give seedlings plenty of light and water, and gradually introduce them to outdoor conditions before transplanting. This hardening off process helps them adjust and thrive. Start seeds at the right time, and you'll give your plants a strong head start. Now, let's talk garden real estate. Plants need sun and space to thrive. Most veggies, like tomatoes and peppers, need 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight. Leafy greens can handle a bit more shade. Observe your garden's sun patterns, or use a sun calculator to help. Plan your layout. Give each plant enough space, as crowded gardens invite pests and disease. Seed packets will tell you the right spacing. Place taller crops on the north side so they don't shade out shorter plants. Think of your garden like a living puzzle. Fit the pieces together for maximum growth. Good location and spacing mean healthier, more productive plants. In gardening, location really is everything. Ever harvest everything at once, then your garden's empty? Succession planting solves that. Sow new rounds of quick crops, like lettuce or beans, every 2-3 weeks for a steady harvest. After early crops finish, plant something new in their place to maximize space. A little planning keeps your garden producing all season long. Succession planting means more fresh food, less waste, and a happier garden. Planting the same crop in the same spot every year drains your soil and invites pests. Crop rotation is the fixed-move plant families to different beds each year. For example, rotate tomatoes, carrots, beans, and squash through 4 beds. This keeps soil nutrients balanced and reduces disease. It's simple, sustainable, and keeps your garden thriving. Even a basic rotation makes a big difference. Your soil and your plants will thank you. Now you're ready to avoid the most common garden planting mistakes. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe to The Wormy Garden for more tips. Happy growing, and see you next time.